Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn coordinating conjunctions in a very simple way. By the end of this video, you will understand and use them easily in your daily English. What are coordinating conjunctions? They are words that connect two sentences, words or ideas that are equal. Easy trick to remember: fanboys. F, for, a, and, n, nor, b, but, o, or, y, yet, s. So, let's understand one by one with examples. And, used to add information. Example: I like tea and coffee. But, used to show contrast. Example: she is tired but happy. Or, used to give a choice. Example: do you want tea or coffee? So, used to show the result. Example: I was hungry, so I ate food. For, used to give reason, formal. Example: she stayed home, for she was sick. Yet, shows contrast like, but. Example: he is rich, yet unhappy. Nor, used for negative ideas. Example: she doesn't eat meat, nor does she drink milk. Now let's do a quick practice. Fill in the blanks. I was tired, blank, I slept. Answer: so, she is poor, blank, honest. Answer: but, you can have tea, blank, coffee. Answer: or, I wanted to go to the party, blank, I was feeling tired. Answer: but, she bought apples, blank, oranges from the market. Answer: and, he didn't study well, blank, he failed the exam. Answer: so, we can go by bus, blank, take a taxi. Answer: or, she is poor, blank, she is very honest. Answer: but, he was sick, blank, he went to the office. Answer: yet, I will call you, blank, I reach home. Answer: when. Note, not a coordinating conjunction, but commonly used, if strictly fanboys, use, when, carefully. They didn't eat lunch, blank, did they drink water? Answer: nor. The weather was bad, blank, we stayed at home. Answer: so, he worked hard, blank, he couldn't succeed. Answer: but. That's it for today. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.